Oh, scared. Scared a little bit. Oh, it's
170.
170, right? It quit. Okay, 170. That's good. So it's 175. So
well,
the
175 is the maximum, but you
maximum,
should
so
run
you
it
should
beyond
run,
that.
Yeah.
No, you can.
Make sure only, okay.
Yeah, we'll just let it go slow first.
Slow for first.
It's starting to drop already.
And it'll click again. It'll click again.
Yeah, once it gets, well, you'll
Okay.
see it to get, it needs to
Okay.
and then it should just operate in that range.
Good.
A lot of water, a lot of airline there, eh?
Yeah, the airline there.
Almost full. Good. So
That's
then
good.
So once you start using, then it'll.
Alright, well, yeah, I'll kick itself. That's good. Okay, right on. That's a finish. Installed brand new compressor. I have the drain valve here. Some water. Kind of modify it. Just replace the small valve there. We put an extension so that we can easily drain the water or moisture out of the tank. Drain the area. Yeah. That's a good idea. Every time in the morning before you open this valve, you have to drain this water here. That's good. This is like hydraulic hose. There's a 90 degrees valve there. 90 degrees elbow. Make sure this hydraulic turbo airline. Well, it works this kind of weather. Not very cold today. It's only -5. Next week will be -20. So I put this thing to make the room warm. Good. It's the old big compressor. Motors that we use that Ingersol Rand. Brand new. It's 175 PSI maximum pressure. Okay. That's all, guys. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.